Hey guys, Mountain Man 1785. I just want to show you a little bit of what can happen at night times up here in the mountains, especially in the summertime. Now it's obviously dark, you're not going to see me, but that's the moon right there. But I just want to show you what is coming our way. Can you see some of those flashes? Might be hard to see, but we have a thunderstorm heading this way. I don't know how good it's going to look, but it's coming this way. The flash is loud, or not loud, sorry, the flash is bright to the naked eye. So we're probably going to have some pretty good thunder here pretty soon with lightning. Alright, talk to y'all later.